Sky DRM integration with SAP 3D VE Viewer. Sky DRM Desktop's trusted application feature provides seamless out-of-the-box support for SAP 3D VE Viewer, allowing users to view and work with protected files according to their assigned usage rights. In this demo, we use the confidential and secret classification labels. The policies are configured as follows. John Tyler, CipherEdge, is granted full control on confidential files. He is also granted view, print, and watermark permissions on secret files. Jimmy Carter from Technova is granted view, screen capture, and watermark permissions on confidential files. He is granted no access to secret files. For file types, we are using native SAP 3D VE file types, which are .rh and .vds. Use case 1. CipherEdge users access secret data. Here, the user is John Tyler from CipherEdge. For the action, he will open a secret file, view the watermark, attempt to print, screen capture, copy, and save and export. The result, print is allowed, screen capture, copy, and save/export are blocked. I signed in to SkyDRM Desktop for Windows as John Tyler from CipherEdge. I checked the permissions for the file secret.rh and confirmed that I have view and print permissions, along with a watermark. Upon opening the file in SAP 3D VE Viewer, the model loaded successfully with a visible dynamic watermark. I then tested the print function. As you can see, the print dialog opens because I have print permission. However, when I attempted to capture the screen using the snipping tool, the window appeared completely black. This confirms that I do not have screen capture permission for secret files. Similarly, when I attempted to copy the content, the action was blocked because I do not have extract permission. Save and export operations are also restricted for the same reason. Use case 2. CipherEdge users access confidential data. Here, the user is John Tyler from CipherEdge. The actions he will perform are open a confidential model, perform screen capture, print, copy content, save, and export. The result is full access granted. All actions are allowed. Continuing as John Tyler, I accessed the file assembly confidential.vds. The policy grants full control to CipherEdge users for confidential data. I opened the file in SAP 3D VE Viewer, and with full permissions, I was able to perform a screen capture of the 3D workplace. The capture was successful, demonstrating that full control includes screen capture permission for documentation purposes. Next, I tested the print capability. Unlike the secret file scenario, I now have full access to the print settings and can print the view without restriction. I also validated the copy content permission. I copied the current 3D view to the clipboard and opened a Microsoft Word document. As shown, I was able to successfully paste the image into the document, confirming that content extraction is allowed. Use case 3. Technova users access confidential data. Here the user is Jimmy Carter from Technova. The actions I will attempt to complete are open a confidential model, attempt screen capture, print, copy, and save/export. The result, screen capture is allowed, print, copy. I logged out and signed back in as Jimmy Carter from Technova, then open the confidential.vds file. My permissions include view, screen capture, and watermark. The model opened successfully with the watermark displayed. Unlike the previous scenario, I was able to take a screenshot of the model because my policy explicitly allows screen capture. However, strict controls are still enforced. When I attempted to print the file from the viewer, the action was blocked because Technova users do not have print permission. I also attempted to copy the content for use in another application, but that content was blocked as well. Save and export operations are similarly restricted. Use case 4. Technova users access secret data. Here the user is Jimmy Carter from Technova. For the action, he will attempt to open a secret 3D model. The result, access is blocked. Finally, as Jimmy Carter, I attempted to access the secret file secret.rh. Technova users are not granted any permissions on files protected with the secret label. When I double-clicked the file to open it in SAP 3D VE Viewer, access was immediately denied. This ensures that highly sensitive data remains fully protected. This is the end of the demo. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to watch more demos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.